Scott Moe is a Canadian politician serving as the 15th and current Premier of Saskatchewan since February 2, 2018. He is a member of the Legislative Assembly of Saskatchewan for the riding of Rosthern-Shellbrook, first elected in 2011. He served in the Saskatchewan Party cabinet from 2014-2017 under the premiership of Brad Wall, twice as Minister of Environment and also as Minister of Advanced Education. In January 2018 he was chosen to succeed Wall as leader of the Saskatchewan Party. He led the Saskatchewan Party to a fourth consecutive majority mandate in the 2020 provincial election. Moe was born in Prince Albert, the oldest of 5 children, and raised on a farm near Shellbrook. After high school he briefly moved to Yellowknife before returning to Saskatchewan and attending the University of Saskatchewan. He graduated with a Bachelor of Science in Agriculture. In the mid-1990s, while still attending university, Moe and his wife established a farming business, buying equipment and renting land. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.